Join me as I take on the challenge of boosting my immune function using cilantro's hidden powers. Will it really work? Cilantro, that fragrant herb commonly used in Mexican and Asian cuisine, has been touted as a natural remedy for a multitude of health issues, including immune function. But can it really live up to its reputation? Today, we're going to dive into the world of cilantro and explore its potential to naturally boost our immune function. We've all been there, feeling sluggish, catching cold after cold, and just can't seem to shake off that lingering fatigue. Our immune system is our body's defense against infection and disease, and when it's not functioning properly, we're left feeling vulnerable and helpless. For many of us, a weakened immune system is a constant companion, making it difficult to enjoy life to the fullest. Whether it's a busy schedule, poor diet, or environmental toxins, there are many factors that can contribute to a compromised immune system. And when we're not taking care of our immune system, we're opening ourselves up to a host of potential health problems. From the common cold to more serious diseases, a weakened immune system can have far-reaching consequences. So what can we do to give our immune system the boost it needs? Cilantro, also known as coriander, is a nutrient-dense herb that's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium, making it a powerful tool in the fight against infection and disease. The antioxidants present in cilantro have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce oxidative stress and promote overall health. But what really sets cilantro apart is its unique ability to chelate, or remove, heavy metals from the body. Heavy metals such as mercury and lead can have a devastating impact on our immune system, making it difficult for our body to fight off infection. By removing these toxins from the body, cilantro can help to promote a healthy immune response. The nutritional profile of cilantro makes it an ideal addition to a healthy diet. Not only is it low in calories, but it's also rich in fiber, making it a great digestive aid. And when it comes to immune function, the antioxidants and vitamins present in cilantro can help to promote a healthy response to infection. But cilantro's benefits don't stop there. It's also been shown to have antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a powerful tool in the fight against infection. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system or simply promote overall health, cilantro is definitely worth considering. Studies have shown that cilantro can have a significant impact on our immune system. In one study, cilantro was shown to increase the production of white blood cells, which are vital in fighting off infection. Another study found that cilantro had a positive effect on the immune system of individuals with compromised immune function. And the testimonials from people who have used cilantro to boost their immune function are nothing short of amazing. From reducing the severity of colds and flu to promoting overall health and wellness, the benefits of cilantro are undeniable. In conclusion, cilantro is a powerful tool in the fight against infection and disease. With its unique ability to chelate heavy metals, promote a healthy immune response, and provide a boost of vitamins and antioxidants, it's no wonder that cilantro has been touted as a natural remedy for immune function. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you used cilantro to boost your immune function? Share your experiences and ask your questions. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe and check out my other videos on health and wellness.